Hey, if you're sending multiple demos to prospects, sending them one by one doesn't scale. Let me show you how to create a mini demo library using Supademo showcases. Start by opening your Supademo dashboard. From here, head to the Showcases section. Click on Create Showcase to get started. Give your showcase a title that fits your sales use case, then save it. Now name a section, for example, Product Overview, Use Cases, or Onboarding. Following that, click Add Supademo to insert a new demo step into Section 1. Next, select the demos you want to include in this section. You can create multiple sections and group demos based on your pitch or sequence. Once you're done, click on Share. Following this, click the Copy Link button to copy the shareable link and send them over email. This is what your prospects see, a clean demo library where they can explore every demo at their own pace. Instead of overwhelming prospects with multiple links, send one showcase. It's organized, easy to navigate, and perfect for sales teams who want to tell a complete story in a single click.